Hello, welcome back to my video. So basically in this video we will discuss about freehand drawing. So what is freehand drawing? So freehand drawing is something which we draw with the coordination of our hand and eyes. I repeat, hand and eyes. And in freehand drawing we don't take the help of any ruler or measuring instrument to draw. We directly draw with the coordination of our hand and eyes. Suppose here I have this pouch. So if I have to draw this pouch on paper, I will draw directly with the help of my hand and eyes. I will don't measure this pouch. So this is known as freehand drawing. Then the question arises, why we should use freehand method to draw? Point number 1. Suppose you want to be a great artist in future and you want to pursue your career in art, then you need to practice with freehand only. Ultimately it will going to help you in long run. Point number 2. Suppose if you are a great artist and someone demand you to draw something on the spot, then if you have a good practice of freehand, you can draw easily. But if you haven't practiced freehand, you will find difficulties, and there you cannot use ruler and something like that. Point number 3 is freehand method gives us a freedom to express ourselves. As we are not dependent on measuring instruments such as ruler, so we can draw and express ourselves according to our preferences. So point number 4 is great scope for learning. So when we go with freehand method and we draw something, we commit mistake. So ultimately it will going to improve our art in long run, and we can learn something new from it every time. On the other hand, if we draw with some other method, we may draw perfectly, but it will not going to help us in a long run. So now I will share few tips related to freehand sketching which will improve your freehand drawing. So tip number 1, observe your surrounding. We are blessed with so many things in our surrounding, we just only need to observe them. So here I have this liquid vaporizer. So many of you can ask for what we can use this. So we can use this to draw a rough freehand sketch on paper. Simply draw. Don't try to draw perfectly. Simply practice. So like this, there are many products in our surrounding, we can use them to improve our drawing. So tip number 2 for freehand drawing is, whenever you are drawing some rough sketch or something like that, always use this mechanical pencil instead of using normal pencil. It will be very helpful for you. The tip number 3 for freehand drawing is, whenever you are practicing a rough sketch or something like that, always use normal quality paper, or you can use newspaper also. You just need to draw something randomly by observing the surrounding. So you don't need quality paper. Point number 4 for freehand drawing is, always compare your recent work with your previous work and compare where you went actually wrong, and find your mistake and learn from it, so that you can improve and continuously improve your freehand sketching. So here comes my personal take on freehand drawing. So I have been practicing freehand drawing for now almost 3 years. I do know other method also, but I always prefer drawing with freehand only, as I found it the most helpful for me. So here I have drawn something freehand outline recently, the freehand outline from the Family Man of Manoj Bajpayee sir. Hope you can see it. So it took me 3 years of practice to reach this level. So I'm wishing everyone watching this video will draw much better than me. You just need to keep practicing and be consistent. Good luck. And if you like this video, please share with your friend. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next video. Till then, live, love, create.